Welcome back to Excellence Forum's ABCD of Accounting, and we are conducting Income Tax Literacy series. Friends, in this series till now we saw basic yet relevant concepts relating to Income Tax Act. From this video we will start Heads of Income. In all these videos we have tried our best to explain the provisions in a simple way. Also there will be a small yet detailed illustration for better understanding. So let's begin with our first head of income, that is income from salary. Before proceeding towards income tax provisions, let's have a look at common understanding of the term salary. As we all know, the salary is a fixed regular payment typically on a monthly basis but often expressed as an annual sum made by an employer to employee for rendering of services. Now, this salary includes various allowances, bonus, incentives, etc., which are mentioned in salary structure. This salary structure varies from employer to employer. On the other hand, wages is a payment for services to a worker, usually a remuneration that is paid on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. We all know the meaning of salary. Now let's understand the salary from tax perspective. The first thing is, salary is any salary due from current as well as former employer to an assessee in the previous year, whether or not paid. Salary which is paid or allowed to an assessee in the previous year by or on behalf of current as well as former employer, though it is not due. In short, the salary in advance. And the third point is, any arrears of salary paid or allowed to an assessee in the previous year by or on behalf of current as well as former employer if not charged to income tax for any earlier previous years. Now let's proceed. We all know the meaning of salary. Now let's understand what is salary for tax purposes. Here the meaning of salary is inclusive. So let's have a look. Salary means and includes wages, any annuity or pension, any gratuity, any fees, commission, perquisites, or profits in lieu of or in addition to any salary or wages, any advance of salary, any payment received in respect of any period of leave not availed by an assessee, which is popularly known as leave encashment, the portion of the annual accretion in any previous year to the balance in the employee's recognized provident fund account to the extent it is taxable. The taxability provisions are specified in the law. Transferred balance in a recognized provident fund to the extent it is taxable, and the contribution made by central government in the previous year to the account of an employee under the pension scheme referred to in section 80 capital CCD, which is known as NPS, that is National Pension Scheme. Taxable salary, that is income chargeable under the head salaries, is computed after making certain deductions. These deductions are, the first one is standard deduction, which is an amount equal to 50,000 rupees. Second deduction is entertainment allowance for government employees subject to limits specified by law, and the third deduction is tax on employment paid by an assessee, which is usually deducted by the employer while making the salary and is popularly known as professional tax. In this video, we have seen meaning of salary, what is included in salary, what is deducted from salary to arrive at the taxable salary income. In the next video, we will see meaning of perquisites, profits in lieu of salary, allowances, which may form a major portion of salary structure. So friends, till now if you have any queries, please post them in comment section. Also follow ABCD of Accounting on Facebook and Instagram. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel ABCD of Accounting. Thank you.